Our electric 120 voltage dry and steam warmer. First off, the overall dimensions. Overall length of 30 inches. Tire depth of 30.5 inches. Overall height 35 inches tall. Measurement for the cutting board will include 30 inches in length and 8 inches in depth. 2 steaming pans on top, and the measurements for each will be at least 12.25 inches in length, 20.25 inches in depth, and at least 8.25 inches in height. Measurements apply for both. Bottom is a storage shelf. And measurement for the length, we have at least 27.5 inches. Depth of 18.25 inches. Coming to the bottom is a 110-120 voltage, 2 gauges and temperature control setting. And coming to the left is your ETL certification and technical information for this dry and steam warmer. Pans are not included but can be purchased separate. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product. Thank you.